In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Microsoft Word document in black and white using Microsoft 365 Online. Now, whether you're trying to save on color ink or simply prefer the classic monochrome look for your documents, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in about 5 minutes, ensuring that you achieve the desired result with ease. First things first, let's head over to the free Microsoft 365 online page. It's how you'll access the Word application without needing to install anything on your computer. Simply open your web browser and head to the Microsoft Office web page. Once you're there, you'll see a sign-in option typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one. It's free and only takes a minute. Now, with your account ready and signed in, you're going to click on Word from the dashboard. This will open up the Microsoft Word application in your browser. If you haven't used this version before, you'll find that it's quite similar to the desktop version, but with the convenience of being entirely online. Okay, so you've opened Word. Now it's time to open your document. Head over to the document area on the left pane where you should see your files saved on OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service. Find the document you want to print and click on it to open. Remember, if you want to create a new document, you can start a blank document right from this screen. Once your document's open, we'll proceed to adjust it for black and white printing. Navigate your way to the Layout tab, which you'll find on the menu ribbon at the top of your screen. In the Layout menu, you're going to see several options to customize your page, but the one we're interested in today is Page Color. Click on Page Color and you'll be presented with a palette of color options. In order to ensure your document prints correctly in black and white, we'll need to select the correct settings here. With your mouse, click on white for the page background. This step is crucial because setting the page color to white prevents any additional color layers from causing issues during printing. And there we have it, your document is now set up for black and white printing. Remember, even though we adjusted the page color, different printers might have various settings for grayscale or color preferences, so always double check those in your print dialog before hitting the final print button. Safeguard any important color info elsewhere if you think you might need it later. That's how you prepare your document for black and white printing in Microsoft Word Online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.